Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to see who commented on an Instagram carousel. This feature has become increasingly important as Instagram allows users to share multiple images and videos in a single post, making it essential to keep track of feedback on each piece of content. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your posts and interactions seamlessly. Once you're in, navigate to your feed where you can see all the latest updates from your friends and the accounts you follow. Next, find the carousel you want to check comments on. A carousel post is identifiable by the stacked square icon, which indicates that there are multiple images or videos within that post. Simply scroll through your feed until you spot the carousel you're interested in. Now click on the comment icon located below the carousel. This icon typically looks like a speech bubble and is positioned next to the like and share buttons. Tapping this will take you directly to the comments section for that specific carousel post. Once you're in the comments section, you can easily see who has commented on each slide of the carousel. If Instagram has rolled out its latest commenting feature, users may even tag specific images within their comments by using an @ symbol followed by the image number. This makes it easier for you to understand which part of the carousel they are referring to. With this updated capability, engaging with your audience becomes more interactive. You can respond directly to comments about specific images or videos, fostering a deeper connection with your followers. In summary, checking who commented on an Instagram carousel is a straightforward process. Open the app, find your desired carousel, click on the comment icon, and explore the feedback from your audience. This feature not only enhances user interaction, but also helps creators understand what resonates most with their followers. Happy commenting!